Sam fam? We're back. We're back and at it.
Yeah.
What up?
We're back in Disney.
We got Aiden this time, Pookie.
First time in forever.
Here, we're staying at the Port Orleans French Quarter, so we've never stayed here before. Yeah, it's September 1st, so.
September 1st.
Do a quick room tour. Aiden stuff. Here's his bed. They did the cute little towel thing. Me and Alex's bed, nightstand, cute painting. Wow. Here's the bathroom. Got a shower, nice little ledge. Toilet, you know. Big mirror, double sink. There's my Starbucks. And then we have this like closet area for hanging stuff up. And then this is cool because it just closes. So it's like not even, it's like a bathroom, but it closes. So that's cool. Anyway.
We're heading to the pool.
Yes.
We're heading to the pool. I'm not done with the room tour. Then, this thing to hang stuff outside, my lounge flies, Aiden's backpack, camera cases, bench. It's my suitcase. And then it says, happy birthday, Aiden! Dresser, all of our stuff, little table for sitting, Alex's stuff, and then the door. And Alex, tell them what we're doing.
We're going to the pool.
We're gonna go to the pool, we're gonna get lunch, we're gonna check out the store, then we're gonna go to Disney Springs tonight, right?
Yes.
Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe.
We're gonna take the ferry.
Yes. Check it in a little bit. My mom likes these. Maybe I'll just have, I'll get one, you get one, and then I'll get. I feel like I have to do chip and dale.
So 20, then 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 53.
Do I need that money?
Pookie's trying to be responsible.
A lot of money. Whole lot of cheddar.
I'm not convinced.
Cheddar.
I think this is good. Chip and Dale, the basic people, and then Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
sounds good.
Let's do it.
We got it. What's up, Sam fam? We are at the Rainforest Cafe. Yep, we're about to get dinner. We just put our order in. I have my drankage. We all got our drankage.
This is a Labor Day weekend special margarita.
Pookie's non-alcoholic beverage.
Bev.
Okay. Couple more years. Yeah, and I will show you the food when it comes out.
Camera eats first. Taste of the Islands. Apparently there's a thunderstorm also. Burger. That's not good.
Looks delicious.
Oh, brother.
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Hello! We are at Hollywood Studios. Whoop, whoop. We haven't vlogged at all today, but actually we're going to go to Magic Kingdom. This was not planned at all. We got here, we rope dropped, we went on Rise of the Resistance, which was only like a 20-minute wait, walking into people. Restarting. Alex, come in the vlog. He's eating, sorry. He doesn't want to be in the vlog. He's eating, leaving no crumbs. Anyway, so we rope dropped Hollywood Studios, went on Rise of the Resistance, got in like 20 minutes. Then we went on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then Aiden made us go on Tower of Terror, and it was actually awful.
Maybe we can insert the picture of the ride, but right here. But it's hilarious. We were so scared.
We were literally so scared, and it was awful. I hated it. But Aiden loved it.
I had a good time. Dammy will put a clip in of us, or a picture of us
Screaming. Yeah, I was like holding on to Alex, so scared, and Alex looks like screaming, and then Aiden's just like smiling, like having the best time. We had a big change of plans. This was not in the plan at all. I make like a loose plan. I don't make like a hardcore plan. We're going to Magic Kingdom for a little while because we want to go on some rides there too. Then we'll have to come back. We're supposed to have dinner here tonight, but we might cancel it and do something else, and then we're gonna go to the extended hours tonight at Epcot. We're getting after on our first day one. So yeah, we're leaving now. And then I just got a pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks, and I got vanilla bean fraps. But we'll check in a little bit. Hopefully we get to ride Pirates, because that's honestly why we're going there and what we want to do right now. We're at Magic Kingdom. I am waiting for Alex and Aiden, because they just both got flagged at security I am 2 for 2. I didn't get flagged the first time or the second time, so that's super exciting. There he is. I think we're gonna go hit the Carousel of Progress, Alex's fave, and then maybe Pirates, and then I think we're gonna get lunch at Tortuga Tavern, but we're not quite sure yet. It is so much hotter. I mean, I knew this was gonna be the case because we came in January, but it is so much hotter here. Now I'm like sweating. Got the hardcore sweat stash going on. Oh, and these are my nails. I did them like French chrome yellow. But yeah, so we're gonna hit the Carousel of Progress and we'll check in a little bit.
That was absolutely crazy.
We're gonna go down another one. It's like a baby one. Yay! Got the Mickey beignets. Oh my god, first time ever. Very first bite. I'm gonna, yeah, dip it in chocolate.
Oh, we didn't raw dog it, Samantha?
No, we went fork and knife. What's your review?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, yeah.
9 out of 10.
It's good.
We just got the classic ones. We went on a million rides at Magic Kingdom.
It was fun.
So fun. We got on the Q for Tiana's Bayou adventure. We went on it, and they closed it right after we went on. So we got through, thank
It was
God.
kind of wild, honestly.
Yeah. And then we were gonna go to the extended hours, but this is the first time we haven't stayed at a deluxe resort, so we didn't realize that it was like, that we couldn't go to it, or like, but I think we could still go, just not go on the ride, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and like get some food and then like walk around for a little bit. We're gonna like shower, regroup. It rains a lot today, so I didn't really take the vlog camera out, but I'm checking a little bit. Right, Alex? We're in the
What up,
Epcot
Sam
ball.
fam? We are at Epcot
What up?
tonight.
We just showered and refreshed, and now we're gonna go to ride Remy the Rat, and then I think we're gonna do a little shopping and get some food. I guess we're gonna take a picture with the Epcot ball. Who do you think the prettiest girl in school is?
The Epcot ball.
Yeah, checking in a little bit.